Neuschwanstein Castle, Germany. Welcome to Neuschwanstein Castle, a fairy tale fortress nestled in the heart of Bavaria, Germany. Join us on an enchanting journey as we explore the history, architecture, and allure of this iconic landmark. Neuschwanstein Castle, a quintessential emblem of Romanticism, sits perched atop a rugged hill in the picturesque Bavarian Alps of southern Germany. Commissioned by the visionary King Ludwig II in the 19th century, this architectural marvel is a testament to his love for fairy tales and medieval legends. With its striking towers, ornate turrets, and intricate facade adorned with whimsical details, Neuschwanstein exudes a fairy tale-like charm that has earned it the moniker Disney Castle. Inside, visitors are transported to a world of opulence and fantasy, as they explore lavishly decorated rooms such as the throne room, hall of singers, and king's chambers, each adorned with vibrant murals, exquisite furnishings, and intricate wood carvings. Beyond its lavish interiors, the castle offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding Bavarian landscape, including the serene Alpsee Lake and the rugged peaks of the Alps. Visitors can wander the castle grounds, marvel at the picturesque Marienbrück, Mary's Bridge, overlooking the Pollet Gorge, and immerse themselves in the natural beauty that surrounds this enchanting fortress. Neuschwanstein Castle stands not only as a symbol of architectural splendor but also as a timeless homage to the power of imagination and the enduring allure of fairy tales. Thank you for joining us on this mesmerizing journey through Neuschwanstein Castle. We hope you've been enchanted by its beauty and inspired by its rich history. Until next time, may your adventures be as magical as the fairy tales that inspired this majestic fortress.